Alrighty, Sharp Customs. We're losing the light here tonight. Thursday night here in Southern Ontario. As you can see, I'm back in the pool. I'm back in the damn pool because we're gonna fire up the jet boat. It's kind of all somewhat together. We got the put a new pump in it because I broke the other one. We got the steering servo, we got a throttle servo. You know, we got a makeshift, probably should have made something for the battery and the receiver to go in, but I think it'll be okay. It's pretty watertight. The only place that the water actually comes out is up here at the front of the shaft, but that's only when you put pressure on it. I think when it's going, we're gonna try and run it in the pool. That's why I put this little cushion on the nose, because I don't want to, you know, want to rip the liner on my swimming pool. But I say we, yeah, my rubber boots is leaking again. I put a new plastic bag in there, and I thought I taped up the hole that was in the plastic bag, but the sucker is leaking. We're not going to run this long, because I got some other stuff in the shop that I'm going to show you that's kind of interesting. But yeah, we figured we'd fire out some more content, and we're gonna fire up this little jet boat. We're gonna see if we can do some donuts or something with it. Something. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but we're gonna do something with it. You put it in the water. Gonna fire it up. We can't do much in the pool, but that's, I got a little bit of water in it. But yeah, we've made some wake in the pool. I'm gonna fire it up again. I'm not gonna worry about the little bit of water. Maybe dump it out. Just don't want my my receiver here getting wet. Let's see if we can do some more. Yeah, we got it stirred up pretty good in here. You can see it's actually not too bad. It'd be nice to see it out in some open water. You know, the pool is not the best option. I'm actually surprised that it would make that tight, you know, circumference in the pool. That's really the best I can do. It's got potential. That's all I'm gonna say. It's got potential. It gets swamped. You know, I seen the water from all the wake splashing into the boat. I'm gonna get out of the pool. Yeah, I got a soaker. We're gonna go back in the garage. We're gonna go back in the garage. Hopefully my my receiver in the boat, it is it's wet. It's wet. But let's go back in the garage. Let's go in the garage. Look at the dogs here. Look at, we got 3 of them playing. Alrighty. Alrighty. We're coming back in the garage. Gonna unplug all my stuff because, yeah, it's a little wet. These receivers, this particular receiver I've been using for probably, oh, I don't know, I'm gonna say like 14 years. It's been submerged, trust me. And you know, I was back in the day, you know, 12, 13, 14 years ago, I ran big gas boats before I got into the whole car thing. But yeah, I wanted to talk about this boat right here. It's a fiberglass hull. Actually, the guy I'm building the coupe for over in England, or the Isle of Wight, shipped this to me, wants me to fix it all up, make it electric. It was kind of designed, kind of old school, you know, with the drive and the rudder out the bottom, and it had a water pickup here. I'm thinking this big hole at the back, it's a pretty narrow boat. Look how narrow that thing is. But yeah, he shipped this to me this week, or last week. It got here this week. And he wants, it's got some spider cracking in the gel coat, wants me to fix. It's got a little bit of a ding here. I think I can probably, you know, maybe heat that up with the heat gun, get that out. It's got a hole. It's got a slice here. And yeah, I'm thinking that yeah, he wants to set it up as an electric, and I think I got him convinced to go with a jet pump, and I think that's pretty cool. You know, I'll get the body, I'll get the hull all cleaned up, probably 3D print. I'm thinking about a 40mm jet pump. He's got like a 4,000 kV water-cooled electric brushless to go in it. I'm not great with the electric stuff, but I'm willing to try it. I would prefer dropping a Zenoa marine engine in here, and just because I think it would work pretty good. But yeah, so this project is not. I'm not jumping right on it right away, just because I've got over there, I'm still glassing up 34 coupe parts. Yeah, just way too many projects on the go. But this little jet boat here, I think it's got some pretty good potential. I don't know, maybe a marine Zenoa might have a little more oomph for the pump. I'm gonna have to see. I'm not sure if it was actually leaking or the water was just splashing into it because we were in such a, you know, confined space. I did see a lot of water splashing over the edges, getting inside there. Obviously, it didn't seem to affect it. Not that I'm aware of. When I go back and I watch this video, I'll probably have a better perspective of, you know, kind of doing the donuts in the pool. And of course, yeah, my foot inside this boot, yeah, it's squishy, but yeah, it's not that cold out. We're actually supposed to get some colder weather in the next few days, which kind of sucks because I'm waiting for it to warm up, because I really want to take this jet boat to a river, a pond, somewhere around here, and you know, throw it out there and kind of see what kind of speed we can get out of it, just with the way that it's set up. But there you go, man. You know the routine. Share, like, subscribe. Sharp Customs. I can't remember if we said we were rolling. We're rolling out. That's what we're doing. We're rolling out. Peace. Keep on rocking. Love you all. I'm out.